I have met Salman sir a few times. Very protective about the heroines that he works with. Have a mad party with alcohol flowing. अभी कॉफी पी है. अभी जागी भी नहीं हूँ पूरा है. नींद अभी तक उड़ी नहीं है आंखें से. उड़ जाएगी. चलो अब ये भी कर लेते हैं. We go crazy to be like जो नजर. We go crazy to be like जो कमर. We go crazy.
As Bheja Fry hits the theatres to floor the fans all over, the very versatile and gorgeous Manisha Lamba wows and floors her fans at this very entertaining Bollywood Hangama exclusive meet and greet. Manisha chats away with her fans about film, life and Bheja Fry.
It's the first time I'm doing an obvious comedy because the previous comedy that we did was Well Done Abba, a political satire. Yeah. So this is the first very obvious ha-ha kind of comedy, as I would like to call it. I think there's no bigger honor for an actor to be able to have the opportunity to do a film which you have loved as an audience, seeing the first part, because I love the first part. It was just an honor then to be a part of the second.
अब तो guess भी नहीं कर सकती कि मैं आपके लिए क्या लेकर आया.
Yeah.
Guess कीजिए.
So what's the secret of your beauty? You look so beautiful.
Oh,
I'm serious.
You know, you are just too kind. I think you are too kind.
No, it's not that. You are beautiful.
Okay.
Being very pretty today.
Oh my god, compliments galore. Thank you.
Like if you get an opportunity to work with Salman Khan, so how would be your experience like?
If I get that opportunity, I'm definitely going to throw a party for all my friends. Have a mad party with alcohol flowing and celebrate the whole night long. And then after that, we'll see. I'm sure it'll be a fabulous experience. I have met Salman sir a few times, and he's just a wonderful person, a gem of a human being. And I've heard that he is very protective about the heroines that he works with. So I am sure that the experience is going to be a once in a lifetime experience.
What is the theme about the movie, this Bheja Fry 2?
The story is again of Bharat Bhushan, and it begins with a reality game show jahan pe he wins a reality game show, and it's a game show called Aao Guess Kare, which is like the same format of Salman Khan's Das Kadam. It's a guessing show. So he wins that, and he wins a prize to go on a cruise. And from there, how the whole Bheja frying experience of everyone starts. So that's the plot.
Which is your favorite co-star since you have worked with Imran Khan and Ranbir Kapoor?
I never ask questions like who's your favorite co-star, who's your favorite director, who's your favorite producer. Because then the others, the ones who you say are your favorite, will never call you and say thank you. But the others who you didn't mention, you'll immediately get an SMS or a call from them. Mera naam kyun nahi bola?
Normal girl's name Manisha spells Manish, and yours is different from that.
Before entering the film industry, someone said, जी ऐसे कर दीजिए, इसका एडिशन ये होता है और वो होता है और ऐसे होता है, इसमें सफलता पाएंगे, ये पाएंगे, वो पाएंगे, फलाना पाएंगे, फल पाएंगे, जिसका जूस भी पाएंगे, सब कुछ पाएंगे. तो मैंने बोला अच्छा कर ही दो यार, मुझे ये सब समझ में नहीं आता, तो आप कहते करना है तो कर लीजिए, कोई बात नहीं.
How was the experience with working with Vinay Pathak?
If you sit with any person who you find funny, they're naturally funny. In every sentence they crack a joke. In everything that you say, they'll make a joke or pull someone's leg. And Vinay also is someone like that, where comedy comes to him very effortlessly and naturally. And when you're working with them, it's really a laugh ride.
आप प्लीज पीछे ना बंद करेंगे. मिला ज्यादा चिल्लाने से आदमी बहरा हो जाता है. कितनी अजीब बात है ना मिस्टर तलवार. आदमी चिल्लाता तो गले से है, लेकिन खराब कान हो जाते हैं.
Can you laugh like him? Ha ha ha.
ये उनकी जो हंसी है हम पे शोभा नहीं दे रही. आप क्यों करवा रहे हैं हमसे? और
Just try it out.
कैमरा में
Just try it out once.
वो बस कैमरा में you're making me do all of this. ये हम पे शोभा नहीं देती. And her said I'm so pretty, and then you're going to make me do that now, yeah.
Would you feel it's a risk after working with Ranbir Kapoor and Imran Khan and working with Vinay Pathak at this time?
No, there's no risk as such, you know. I mean, ultimately you've got to choose a film based on the script, and you can't. Everyone is doing films with which are hatke, which are driven by the necessity of the character, necessity of the script, rather than wanting to product place or wanting to place a name that probably will not suit the role. I mean, you can't have anyone else besides Vinay Pathak doing Bharat Bhushan's character. You know, you can't get a. Okay, I mean, you can't get someone else. He's Bharat Bhushan. You know.
Let me introduce you to the jewel of India, Mr. Bharat Bhushan.
What was your favorite moment?
It would be when I saw the first copy of my film Yaha.
Oh, great.
When I saw the very first copy, you know, the whole film and you know how everything. I think that was the most powerful emotion I felt then, because I didn't understand what it was like to create something, to be a part of something so big that was created. तो जीत गई मैं मिस इंडिया इस आंसर के बाद. कैसे मिस इंडिया आंसर दिया ना मैंने.
Great.
Which is your favorite song from all the movies you have done till now?
It's Naam Ada Likhna from Yaha.
गोरे बदन पे उंगली से मेरा नाम अदा लिखना.
Normally during shooting you have much fun. Which was the most funniest moment in during shooting?
Kidnap. I think Kidnap was the most fun because I got to do a lot of things. I learned how to dive thanks to Kidnap because we had to shoot underwater. So I shot underwater. I got to do the dance, a nice hip hop number. You know, I watched Beyonce's videos and Rihanna's videos and all these pop stars videos, and you know, just to see the way they dance, and I love it. And you know, my desire was to do a video like that where I dance like that, and with this I did. I got that.
To stir things up, there was also a competition held to find out the real-life Bharat Bhushans.
प्यार की ये कहानी from Honeymoon Travels. I love that song. प्यार की ये कहानी सुनो, एक लड़का था एक लड़की थी, होती क्या है जवानी सुनो, एक लड़का था एक लड़की थी. Today I'm very bad at singing, but I will try for you. बचना ए हसीनो लो मैं आ गया, हुस्न का आशिक हुस्न का दुश्मन, अपनी आधा है औरों से जुदा. हे हो.
Me too is not good in singing. But normally, yeah. But for you only. सजना दीवारी वारी जाऊं जी मैं, सजना दीवारी वारी जाऊं जी मैं, तू ही तो मेरा संसार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है.
Now let's find out who's the winner.
Since I don't want bad karma on me for doing this, I am going to chalao a voting system. Public बोलेगी who is the best.
Okay.
तो तीनों contestant please इधर आ जाइए. तय किया जाएगा कि ये श्री पद्म भूषण भारत भूषण अवार्ड किसको जाएगा. And our winner today for the Padma Bhushan Shri Bhushan Award in singing talent goes to
Nitesh.
जनता ने आपको आज सफल की है, तो आप जनता को प्लीज कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आपको आज सफल करने में और इतना बड़ा पुरस्कार दिलाने में और आपको इतना आज रिवॉर्ड करने में, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
This is no less than a Filmfare Award, yeah?
Manisha had a lot of fun with her fans. Let's see what she thought of this awesome experience.
I'm really amazed by you know, the professionalism with which Bollywood Hungama has endeavored to make this meet and greet very a very proper one, interactive, proper, not haphazard or anything. So that was really good, and I really like the way everything has been set up.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.